Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have the 613 blonde wig that I got from my wig collections at Cuttieesglam's hair. So I transformed it into this beautiful blue, and if you want to see how I achieved this look using the watercolor method, keep on watching.
Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you?
I went to the salon and I decided, okay, what do I do to this wig? I don't want it blonde. And decided to change it using the watercolor method. So you guys can see the wig is a frontal, is 16 inches. So I boiled hot water at the salon and I dipped the hair in it for about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. I would suggest that you really go in when you're doing this method, really make sure that it's dispersed correctly and precisely. If not, some parts will be lighter than some, which I will show you in this my video. And this is my first time of ever using the watercolor method or ever coloring my hair, so I think I did a good job. So I just co-washed it after with that oil, with that conditioner. That's it. I didn't use shampoo because I don't want the color to go off. And then I blew dry it, and as you can see the patches, so that was what I was talking about. Make sure that your color go in correctly. So, and then I installed it at the Aquarius Beauty Salon. It's on Albion Road if you live in Toronto. And yeah, basically that's just it. And sit back, relax, and keep on watching.